Mini enclosed fiber laser marker. Sample shows. Machine shell. Fiber laser indicator light. Front control system switch/button. How to open and close the machine door. Knob switch to control scan head up and down. Scan head down by turning the knob clockwise. Scan head up by turning the knob counterclockwise. Safety switch. Please close the door when machine marking. Marking on stainless steel. Marking a dog. See marking work through a ceramic window. Protect operator eyes. Plastic plug marking. Marking photo on coating aluminum.